Steve here, ShenRC, and today I'm going to start building the Vanquish kit. I'm probably going to have a two-part series. Let's get started. Okay guys, she's complete. I finished her up. Now it's the steps I have to go through to put the radio system in. I'm going to use my, this is a servo. This is an HPI standard waterproof servo. I'm going to use that. And then my Fly Sky receiver hooked into my KO Probo. I have to program it into there. I just gotta hook all that in, and then I'll probably make another video doing the body and stuff. But there it is. Looks real nice. There's a lot of parts in this kit, so I can't imagine the Avante is probably even a lot harder to build. It's not that it was hard, it was just a lot of little parts. Try to show you the suspension on it. I can't really do it with one hand because I'm holding my DSLR camera here. I'll show you a little bit. It's pretty neat. I have a stock motor in it. Probably in the future I may upgrade that to a 20-turn RC 4-wheel drive motor. I usually put them in my Tamiya kits. They go a little faster than the stock ones. But there it is, guys. I'll show you it when I have the radio in. And here it is, guys. Steering's working. ESC's working. Brakes. Reverse. And that's it. Alright, guys. That's it for this edition of the build. If you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Leave a comment if you can, and hit that bell so you don't miss my future videos. My next video will be painting up the body and doing the wheels and stuff. So look out for that, guys. Thanks as always, ShenRC, and we'll see you next time.